What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wukop Entertainment. So, General Mkwanazi, whilst speaking at the Madlanga Commission, he just exposed, Bheki. So, the story goes like, Bheki, he made a call to Nhlanhla Mkwanazi for him to call for General Khan to be removed or like to be resigned, from his position so that he can work for the premier of Gauteng. So General Mkwanazi, he found this odd because it just doesn't make any sense. But General Mkwanazi then figured out the true motive behind what Bheki really wanted. So Bheki, what he wanted to do, is he was trying to remove General Khan from a disciplinary case, that General Khan was handling. So it was like Bheki was trying to interfere, with some investigations, etc., etc. So this is the revelation that has been made by General Mkwanazi at the Madlanga Commission. So with this big revelation, it just makes sense for Bheki to come, and explain himself, as to whether the allegations are true or not, or what he was trying to achieve at all. Because one thing is clear, that General Mkwanazi is not playing at all. He is not scared of anyone.